Hello everyone, and welcome to March. I'm Dr. Michael Connolly, your superintendent, and it's hard to believe we're already moving into the spring stretch of the school year. This time of year always brings a lot of energy across our schools, and we have several exciting things to share with you. Earlier this week, we had the opportunity to celebrate our students at the annual D21 Choral Festival. This event brought together almost 500 performers from across the district and showcased the dedication, collaboration, and talent within our fine arts program. Thank you to our students, our educators, and families who helped make this such a memorable experience. We look forward to sharing more highlights with all of you. I also want to take a moment to recognize some outstanding members of our staff who have been honored as the recipients of the Illinois State Board of Education's Those Who Excel Awards. This recognition reflects an extraordinary commitment to students, families, and the profession of education, and we're incredibly proud to have these individuals representing our district. This year's honorees include Gustavo Atempa, a Spanish interpreter that serves all schools in the district, Michelle Kuta, the art teacher at Frost, Allison Parker, 8th grade language arts teacher at London, Connor Potvin, 4th grade teacher at Frost, Gordana Rink, 2nd grade bilingual Spanish teacher at Frost, Marcela Rodriguez, bilingual and English as a second language instructional specialist, serving district-wide, Samantha Roth, principal of Whitman, and Jacqueline Scher, language service teacher facilitator at Holmes. Each of these individuals make a meaningful and lasting impact on students and colleagues, and we are grateful for the dedication they bring to our schools every day. Please join me in congratulating them on this well-deserved honor. Another important update this month is the introduction of our boundary review process through a community-led map design committee, and we're inviting parents and caregivers to consider being part of that work. This is a community-driven process with no predetermined outcome. Committee members will research, listen, gather feedback, evaluate options, and develop solutions informed by both data and community voice. Family perspectives are essential, and having parents at the table helps ensure this work reflects the experiences and priorities of the community we serve. Our district has changed significantly since boundaries were last drawn more than 2 decades ago. Enrollment patterns, student need, and family demographics have evolved, and it's responsible to pause and consider whether our current map continues to serve students as effectively as possible. At its core, this effort is about balanced schools, ensuring classrooms, programs, and shared spaces function as intended. Balanced environments help prevent overcrowding, support equitable class size, and allow both teachers and students to focus on learning rather than working around space limitations. It also reflects responsible stewardship of our community's investment in safe, well-maintained facilities. If you're interested in contributing your perspective, we encourage you to learn more about the committee and consider getting involved. We'll continue sharing details on how to participate and stay engaged as this process moves forward. Looking ahead, returning student registration will open next month. Families should watch for additional communication over the coming weeks with details on how and when to complete the registration process. Completing registration early helps us plan staffing and resources so we can best support students in the year ahead. As always, thank you for your continued partnership and support. I hope you have a wonderful month and an even better spring break, and I look forward to connecting with you again in April. Take care.